Y'all, I never owned a pair of Jordan 4s a day of my life. But when I first saw these, I fell in love with them. Asking my brother when were they gonna come out. He didn't know. Then I found out they were coming out in November. And I had to get me a pair. I just had to. Retail $220. My first ever pair of 4s ever. Look how they package this thing, man. Sheesh. I'm scared to wear these, man. I ain't lying. It feel like suede material. But y'all see them. Size 10. Sheesh.